Four hormones collectively regulate blood glucose. Insulin released after a meal will promote the uptake of glucose specifically into muscle and adipose tissue, while at the same time promoting the storage of glucose in the form of glycogen in liver and muscle. These effects of insulin will ultimately reduce blood glucose after a meal. During fasting or sleep, an increase in glucagon, epinephrine, and cortisol release will promote the liver to hydrolyze stored glycogen or synthesize glucose from smaller molecules, thus restoring blood glucose to its normal levels.